October 20th, 2020, Fluency. All right, number one, 1 pound of grapes cost $3.59. Linda buys exactly 21 pounds of grapes. How much did Linda spend on the grapes? All right, so if she buys 21 pounds of grapes, each pound, just for 1 pound, it's $3.95. So if she buys 21 of those, well, we're going to be multiplying. We can do that. All right, so if we multiply, so we have 1 pound of grapes cost $3.59. $3.59. 3.59. Now, when I am multiplying, I am lining everything up to the right. So when you're multiplying, you do not need to line up your decimals, only adding and subtracting. So we will take care of the decimal later. So times 21, we are going to, whoop, not that. There we go. We're going to put our bar here. Perfect. All right. 1 times 9. That's 9. 1 times 5. That's 5. 1 times 3. That's 3. Ignore the decimal right now. Ignore it. Now, we're done with this 1, so we are moving over a place value. So I'm going to cross it off, and I'm going to put a placeholder 0. So we are moving over to a place value into the 2, so I need to put that placeholder 0 because we're now moving over a place value. So 2 times 9 is going to be 18. 1, 8. Carry that 1, drop that 8. 2 times 5 is going to be 10, plus 1 is 11. So we have 11. And then 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now, am I done? No, we have to add these up. Add them, add them, add them. I'm going to actually make a copy of this. There we go. All right, so we are going to add them now. When we add them, 9 plus 0 is just 9. 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. So I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 3. Carry that 1, drop that 3. 3, 4, and 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. So now, is our answer $7,539? Whoa, no. So we need to also make sure that these do make sense, because it does not make sense to pay $7,539 for 21 pounds of grapes. No, only 1 pound only costs $3.59. So what do we need to do? We need to put in that decimal. So that decimal, how many places in are we going to find it? So we'll take this decimal out here, go in 1, go in 2. So it goes in 2 spots, none down here. So we're going to start at the end, and we're going to go in 1, and we're going to go in 2. So that 5 and 3 are going to be split by a decimal. So it's going to be $75.39. So I'm actually going to make a copy of this, put it over here. $75.39. I can also add in a text box. And so I can label it. The label is $75.39. That is for her 21 pounds of grapes. Great job.